Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it's the Carnival edition. I was packing my little Carnival bag and I was wondering, what else am I missing? So I have my bag packed, well for the most part, and I want to show you guys what you'll need to pack with you on Road March Day. Stay tuned. This here bag very big. See, I was practicing my carnival makeup today. It looks nice here, but on the camera that part looks a little too white. Anyway, we'll review the makeup later. So first of all, I don't know how this and these, like I'm not sure about the coverage part. Okay, there we go. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. I don't know how this is gonna fit. I don't know how this is gonna fit. But you know, you see the problem is that I ordered this. This size is for the old boobs. And I'm sure this would have covered the old boobs, but this not cover the new boobs. But anyway, girl pay for them in full, so if they show, so be it. Anyway, here we go. So Carnival is July, is it 10th or 11th? It's on Sunday, and this is in the middle of the summer. It is hot. Usually Jamaica has their carnival in Easter in April. It's also hot then, but right now we are in the middle of summer. So I said, I don't want any feathers. I don't want anything to just be like too hot. So I've decided basically to go naked. I mean, not that feathers are clothes. What is feathers gonna do? I mean, a costume is basically a panty and a bra. A glorified panty and bra. Anyway, I'm wearing my panty and my bra, and I'm saying I need to take things on the road with me that will help me to be comfortable, that will help me if a situation arises, like, you know, I need more lipstick. So, this is my little bag. Usually I don't take a bag this big, but I figured since I'll only be in a brown panty, this will cover me up. I also find too that being on the road with my sister, she always needs things. My girl need lash glue, my girl need costume glue, my girl always need eye drops. Tracy always need eye drops. I call her leaky eye. Her eye always a water, her eye, she always a booger around down. She always needs things. So I have this bag packed for things that I will need for my sister in case she has any of her booger emergencies. So little iridescent bag, I believe water resistant, not waterproof, because if the water drips on it, it will just roll off. It's not a fabric bag, it's like a plastic bag. So the water will run off of it and hopefully it will rain. I love when it rains Carnival Day. I just feel like, you know why I love it? All right, let me tell you why I love it. When it rains, the cameramen and all the photographers and everybody with their phone, you have to put your phone away, right? So then all of a sudden, your wild inhibitions, like all the wine with it trap up in your back from like 2 years ago, can release itself. I hope it rain. So anyway, in my bag, I have little smaller bags. Just to make it easy, I can be like, oh, pull out this bag, pull out that bag, instead of just one bag of things in the bag. Bag actually came with this pink pouch. So I guess if you have any feminine items, if you're buying the bag and it's not for carnival, if you have feminine items or things you don't want people to see, you can drop it in these pouches. So I'm just gonna go through with you what you have, what you need, what I have, and what you really don't need. So this one, I'm gonna keep my makeup in. It's a small little travel pouch. And I will have in here my foundation just to blot down, a little travel brush, as you could see a while ago. I love my brush. And in here I'll put lipstick, and I'll probably put some more makeup. I'll probably put like a bronzer or a blush or something. And yeah, when I feel like I'm looking all sweaty, I'll just grab this, blot down, pat down, whatever the case may be. In the big pink bag, I thought it was really nice that the bag came with a little pouch. Because if I don't like the bag, not using the bag again, I can always use this pouch. I love a pouch. How am I doing with the makeup? I don't know, from far away, the eyeshadow just looks, remember them old time when girls would just wear white eyeliner on top of the eye? Drop a comment down below. You like this makeup? I'm trying out different things for Carnival Day. In real life, I can see the purple and it's blended and it's looking good. But in the camera, it just looks so stark. You know, you have to look good for pictures. Anyway, in my little pink pouch, tissues for my leaky eye sister. Also, if you have to run, go to the bush and do a number 2. Just joking, guys. There's porta potties. But if you need to wee wee and the porta potty doesn't have any tissue, or you know, you run and go beg somebody in the bathroom, you can always use some tissues in your bag. We don't pop a squat on the road. Lie. If you pop a squat on your road and you chuchu and wipe it down, one little wipe, can wipe down the chuchu. Of course, Advil, floss stick. Because I remember one carnival, Kana came to my rescue. One carnival after lunch, some piece of chicken hitch up in my teeth. And so this is me. And I was like, no man, this is really bad. And I tried to find string, but of course everybody only have on panty and bra, so nobody have no string hanging off of them clothes. So I begged Kana a piece of her hair. This is like about after 15 minutes, you know, fine Kana have whole heap of hair. And I used her hair, and that was me flossing, and I got out the piece of chicken. My gosh, man, one tough piece of chicken. Anyway, so I just walk with that little floss stick. And guys, if you see anything in my bag and you're on the road and you're in an emergency and you know I have something that can help you, please come and ask. I'm not a bitch. I'll definitely share with you for sure. I have band-aids, and these are the nice fat ones. So like if you're getting a blister from your shoe, I'm actually going to put a little bit more of these because people always know that I have band-aids, and people's shoe, they buy new shoes for carnival and then the shoes always are upon them. So I'm going to put some more band-aids in my bag. I'll be needing all of this. Boob tape. And actually, it's not boob tape. This is double-sided tape. So if you need to fix a little bit on your costume, I'll clearly need to be taped into mine. Okay, put some boob tape. You can, oh sorry, not boob tape. Double-sided tape. I have some right here. These, I love these. I'm gonna use them for travel as well. So these are called hand pop. They're just a wipe. They're not sanitizing at all. You just pop the middle here, and then the cleaning cloth or the cloth that's inside soaks up the water or the liquid that's in there, and then you can wipe your hands, you can wipe your face, you can wipe your shoulders, wipe off your underarm, wipe your whatever. I'm not sure what's in the solution, so I wouldn't use it to wipe my private parts. That's what the tissue's for. So yeah, you can just get a little freshen up with this. So these are great for travel as well. Also, if you watched my car video, I have a pack of these in the car as well. Just easy to wipe little hands. No sew fabric glue. It's like every memory I have of carnival, there's been somebody that's needed something. So we got on the road one carnival day, and my friend Carly, like right at the top of her costume, you know, and as a woman too, you want to look your best, you want to feel your best. And I find that you feel your best if you think you look amazing. And it's very important for you to have that confidence and, you know, for you to look and feel amazing. And Carly's, one of her little, like a strip of something was falling down, and she kept fixing it. We got gum, tried to fix it, got all manner of things. She was like, let's find a hot glue gun. It's like, Carly, the road march start, we're not going to find no hot glue. And so I said to myself, from that day on, if I can and I have this space, I'm going to walk with just a little bit of fabric glue. You know, she would have been able to dot a little bit, hold it for 5 minutes, and it would have stuck. So anybody, is something drop off, I can help you. Plastic bags, because it's gonna rain, so I can wild out, yeah. So I just wrapped up a couple Ziploc bags, and this has actually been in my, like I have a carnival pouch, I think it's a gold one. And I leave some of these things in there. In the next carnival, I'll draw from my gold pouch, and I'll have the things in there that I know are a staple that I need every single carnival. A staple that I need every single carnival is Ziploc bags. And I just try to fold it down as little as possible. Just have some more of those wipes, those refreshing wipes. Hand sanitizer, right before lunch. I just sanitize my hands. All that rub up where I do, the whole way I get COVID. The whole way I get COVID, you cannot spray your hand, them little more of the COVID already gone down in your throat. So anyway, we have some soap sheets here. So I'm sure they'll be setting up stations for you to wash your hands and try and keep as sanitized as possible. But anyway, you just grab one of these little sheets at the top here. And when you're washing your hands, once you add water to that and you rub your hands together, it will turn into soap. Then for the leaky eye girl, we have lash glue. Because once our eye starts leaking, it's very bright. I figured out what the reason is. It's very bright on the road, and you know, the shine of the road and the asphalt and the heat and everything just boiling up in your face, and Tracy's eyes would start to water. And then the water of her eyes watering would lift up any lashes that she has on. She's so high maintenance, it's not funny. Actually, no, that's not true, because once she realized this is happening, that is happening, she a bald, she a leak, the nose, the whatever, she just finds a water truck, sheds off everything. The wig gone, the lashes gone, the everything gone. We went one Trinidad. Oh, it was the time that I designed the costume. Mobe. I believe that was 2017. Anyway, I designed this beautiful costume. So everybody get backpack, everybody representing in Mobe, you know, beautiful blue costume. Tracy eyelash start lift, Tracy nose start run, Tracy hot, Tracy ponytail, she whipping it and it. So Tracy's like, we are on the road for 10 minutes. She goes, I soon come. She finds a water truck, tears out the weave, plats her hair in two, comes back with 2 braids, pulls off the lashes, rubs her face like this, then goes like this. My girl comes back soaking wet, 2 ponytails, and basically because the makeup has got run down like this, she wiped it like this and now has on eyeliner. And I'm like, where are the wings? She goes, I don't know, but I feel free. Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Don't tell me you subscribed and you're not subscribed. Come on, man, give me a little subscribe. Give me a alright. If I try this on, will you subscribe? I so deserve to subscribe. Yo, my work hard, you know. She had a good time and that's all that matters. I wish you would have waited till we took some pictures. Leaky eye girl again, I got you. We got some clear eyes redness eye drops. So this will help to lubricate if she feels like she has a piece of glitter in the eyes the worst. I can just drop some eye drops in there to help you feel a little bit better. We have just a random hair tie. Safety pins. These are a must, a definite must. You have so many straps that tie up and keep up your costume, your little itty bitty costume. So if one of those straps break, it could be disastrous. So just walk with a couple safety pins and that will be able to assist you should the need arise, or you can assist someone else. All right, in the bag, I know this is a very big bag. I don't usually, as I've said that already, I don't usually carry a bag this big, but I'm taking advantage of this big bag. I think I can even put an umbrella in there. I have just a little purse with money. I didn't want the money just splash out in the bag, so I took up this little, I think this is a Kate Spade, Tory Burch, one of them woman there. So it's like a card holder. And I have some money in here, and I learned a tip from Carnival Base. She was saying, you know, make sure you walk with a lot of small bills because the vendors will really appreciate that, and you don't have to be waiting for change and carrying on, and you know. So I have a lot of small bills in here. So nobody try to rob me. I'll be here $50. Then I have some sunblock, and this one is just the stick sunblock. So is it almost finished? Oh no. So it's just a stick sunblock, so I can just rub on my shoulders, and it's not this big hole. Oh, can I have some? Oh. No, I can just use my stick. I also have some sample sunscreen packets here that, you know, sometimes some people are like, oh, can you rub some of that on my back? I'm like, no, here. I don't want to rub you down. I hate that. I don't even like rubbing down my kids. Like you're all sweaty and wetty, and then after try rubbing the sunblock and it turns white. No, here, do it yourself. Have a good day. Here you go. You can ask me for it, no problem. We're not rubbing your back. You think this is spa day? Rain a fall, breeze a blow, Jodi booby out a door. Make sure you like. More hand sanitizer. So after you go rub down yourself, you know, after you rub down yourself, I'll give you a wipe to wipe the excess sunblock off of your hands. And then you can use some hand sanitizer, because we have to keep our hands sanitized throughout the day. Keeping your hands sanitized throughout the day will keep away the COVID. And then I have a little lip balm here. It's just a balm, not a lipstick. This came in a little sample pack of goodies from Orlando Carnival. They actually had a really nice goodie bag. That's where the packets of sunblock came from. At the side here, I bought these for Orlando Carnival and I didn't end up wearing them. And I know Tracy, this is so Tracy style. So these are pink heart glasses to keep you from the leaky eye. I don't know, I feel like this is more Tracy style, this whole like eclectic, artistic, hearty. I think she'll make it look really like, you know, pop style, really cool. She'll make it look good. I'll just look like a damn ass. I'll probably wear them anyway though. But they're cute. So that's all I'd say. Oh, and in the very front pocket, I will keep my lipstick just for a quick reapplication throughout the day. Right now, I've been using the Kylie lip kits, and usually, you know, I wouldn't have even given her a try because of the sign, you know, Kardashians. But anyway, these lip kits from Kylie are bomb. The lipstick, or sorry, the lip, what do you call it? What? Lip gloss? It's not really a gloss. Lip tube, whatever this is. This lasts really long. I wouldn't find it moisturizing, but it doesn't make my lips dry. And in the lip kit, it comes with the matching lip liner to match the gloss. And I actually think this stuff is really good, and I will give credit where credit is due. Kylie's lip kits are really nice. And then I just have some little packets of Tic Tacs. These were also from my gift box from Orlando. It's really, so everyone was talking like, hey, here you go, run away. stinking bread. Damn! I joke, I would never do that. So that's what's in my bag. So I said I was gonna add a few more things. Oh, these go in my bag as well. Very, very important, but they need to be charged. So I have a handheld fan here because it is going to be hot. So I need to charge this. So I can be like, oh, and look like a princess. It has 3 speeds. Make sure any handheld you have has 3 speeds. So I'm gonna charge this up the night before. And a power bank. A power bank is super, super important. Everybody nowadays likes to take pictures, likes to kind of document, you know, what's happening in their life. And Carnival is just something so beautiful to document. You have, you know, all the women all dressed up so beautifully. You have some hot guys, you have the dancing, you have all the little activities and the things going on. So you definitely want to document that. And I know your phone may die. So make sure you carry a power bank. This power bank is really cool. It's very thin, but I'm sorry guys, I won't be able to share this with you. It really and truly holds just 1 full charge. I guess because it's so small, but this can actually fit into, so what I'll do is once I charge it, it fits like a credit card. It fits like a credit card into your purse. So I thought that was really cool. Let's see, what else do we have? Hold on, who is this calling me? Alright guys, that was just Leaky Eye Tracy linking me. She's very excited. I think we're all excited. We're all excited. She got a primer and a powder and a liquid and she's practicing her makeup today. We're all excited. We've all been inside for so long. Especially Tracy, like she's been inside and been inside pregnant. So she's really looking forward to, you know, going out there on the road and having a good time and dancing and, you know, seeing all her friends. And so she's just excited, you know, so she's just telling me all the things what she did have. Another thing that I would suggest you guys take on the road, very, very important, is a bandana. So you can find these on the road if you're driving down in Halfway Tree, if you're down downtown, Woolworth, you can drive and find these any and everywhere. It doesn't have to be a Jamaican flag. It would be great if you could get a Jamaican flag, but if you wanted it to more match your costume, get a bandana. Why do you get a bandana? I actually walk with 2 bandanas. So usually I will walk with my Jamaican bandana in my hand. So when they say wave your rag, wave your flag, I just want everybody to know I'm Jamaican because that's like the coolest thing in the world ever. And then also I will tie it onto my wrist. Let me show you how. So you take your bandana, and because I played so many carnivals, and I'm a carnival professional, I have bandanas in every color, and so this is what you do with them. I'm telling you what to do because I am the carnival bandana queen. I'm a sweaty individual, so you just want to follow me, right? And I would hate like to take a picture, or you know, you're talking to a hot guy, or you know, you're just talking to anybody and you have like, I just don't like to be sweaty, and I'm very sweaty. So I tie my bandana like this, maybe a little bit neater, and I just go like this and I pat down throughout the day. Make sure you pattern, you know, sometimes you may need to blend. Now, just a little tip, if you are wearing sunglasses and the glasses sit on the bridge of your nose or on your cheeks, note that the sweat will kind of settle there, and once you take off the glasses, it's gonna have like sweat marks. So just bear that in mind. Maybe you could always just, you know, pat right under where the glasses touch your face, and just keep your bandana handy and pat down so you can stay nice and cool, or at least look nice and cool. So a bandana is necessary. A really cool find that I found just the other day, they got here just in time, big up to Mail Pack. This is a water bottle, but the top of the water bottle has a built-in fan, and the fan is completely removable. So if while you're, you know, finished sipping, you can just hold your fan here. It's gonna be really hot, so I'm just gonna have all fans on me. You can have your fan up like this, or you can completely take it off, and it's handheld. This fan though is not as powerful as this little white one. So, but I just think that the whole fan attached to the container was really, really cool, because I'll already have my drink container in my hand. The only thing with this drink container that's really annoying is that to drink, you have to screw off the whole top and then go like this. And I just don't like a hindrance when it's drinking time. Like I want to just like, this could definitely, I don't know how to invent this to make this better. I guess maybe flip up the fan and then there's a straw. I don't know. This looked like a lot of hindrance. At least I won't drink too much then. Drink Hennessy, mind my business. So this is a really cool little find. And yes, leaky eye, yours is right here. And in getting ready for carnival, like I have my little box here that I just drop everything in because getting ready carnival morning, usually I have a lot of girls here running up and down. Where's the mascara? Where's the this? Where's the that? So I try to keep everything together. I have my costume and my shoes, my socks. I put everything out, so I'm not running around looking for anything. I have my lashes set out. I know what, but I don't really know what I'm doing with my makeup just yet. But I have everything together so that carnival morning, when people are here and when I'm trying to get ready, I'm not looking for this, looking for that. I've already put batteries in my fan. As I said, I'm going to charge my fan and my what do you call the battery pack thing, just so that everything is ready and I'm not running around the night before trying to figure stuff out. Oh, these are all the strings that I'll need for my top. Right, well, okay. Another little tip, or what I do, no matter what type of bra I'm wearing, I always wear nipple covers, just because to me, I feel like I'd be so uncomfortable constantly on the road, like fixing or feeling like I need to fix or feel, is my boob out? Is my nipple out? Is my nipple? So I just wear the nipple covers, and I mean, if it's out, it's out. I don't know, like you're gonna see nipple carnival day, not from me, but you're definitely gonna see nipple carnival day. So, you know, like, at least try to cover them. I don't know, I feel a little bit more confident, and it's not like, you know, this big black cherry plum sticking out at you. It's more like what is that? Oh, you know? So no matter what bra you're wearing, just put on a nipple cover and you'll feel more confident, because you won't be like, okay. Or you won't constantly be like this, trying to fix. I'm definitely gonna need some nipple covers with that, my gosh. Anyway, another really cool carnival item that I've had for the past few years, I use a fan. I must say, me name Windy. I don't understand. What much fan I have? So this year, my costume, as you saw, has the green, the pink, and the blue. So I have a green fan, and my friends love standing up beside me because I will fan everybody. All you gonna stand up and a man stand up in front of me, or a lady, I'll just give everybody some breeze. Oh, this feels so nice. So yeah, me name Windy. I provide the fan and the wind for everybody. So I'm just gonna make sure from a couple nights before that everything in my box is good to go. You know the large hairpins, or you can use a staple, staple pin? Stapler, no. Safety pin, no, paper clip. So you can use a paper clip to hook through into your costume rings there. It's a lot easier to pull through all of your straps. So you can take your safety clip pin, paper clip, and put it in your container as well, or put it where your items are, just so that you have everything together. Oh, I'm getting so excited, like, oh, my tummy's hurting me. So excited. If I get excited, you know what I'm talking about. You get excited and you need to like use the bathroom. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep everything together. Batteries are in my water bottles ready to go, and then I'll see too, like, I'm sure I will get that was the chair, or was it? I'll see what cup I get from my band, and maybe because I have so many fans, maybe I won't use that, and then I'm sure this water bottle, I won't throw it away on the road. I'll have it, and I'm sure somebody like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm like, here, you can have it, and I'm sure they'll appreciate it. So yes, oh, and why I said I carry 2 bandanas is I'll probably have my Jamaican bandana on my wrist, and then because my bag is so big, I'll take another one and I'll use it to spread out when I'm sitting on the ground, or yeah. And that is everything for what I have in my carnival bag. I hope I was able to help you. I hope you saw that. Now, there are things here that you're definitely not going to need. That's very extra. But I hope you saw some essentials that you're like, wow, I really need to walk with that. Maybe I could try go through quickly what the essentials would be. An essential would be a bandana, safety pins, Ziploc bags, sunblock, money. These are your essentials. So you have money. I didn't give you a charger too. So you have money, safety pins, Ziploc bags, sunblock, and a bandana, and you'll be good to go. Anything else, you must be able to find on the road. Somebody must be able to lend you something. there's a shortage on tampons. So if you need one, make sure you carry your own, because I don't even have not one. Yeah, and that's it. Alright everybody, I hope that was really, really helpful. Have a happy carnival and see you on the road on Sunday. Bye!